Today we're doing a chicken curry by Nutri-Grill. We have some baby potatoes, some white onion, chickpea, mixed peppers, red and green peppers. We have some carrots and some zucchini, some cilantro, and some diced tomato. As well, we have some chicken cut up. Just to get her started, we'll just add our onions.
अरे लाल लाल बिकिया मोती बड़ा बड़ा
just add a little bit of water.
लाल लाल बिकिया बड़ा बड़ा बाला बिका गाड़ा में नाग पुपावे मारी मम्मी नहीं जानू बानी रगड़ दो माने काई माने काई देख पर नहीं मारी मम्मी नहीं जानू बानी रगड़ ओ नहीं जानू बानी रगड़ दो ये मम्मी मारी जीती मारी नहीं जानू बानी रगड़ दो माने काई देख पर नहीं मारी मम्मी नहीं जानू बानी रगड़ दो
Natural flavors and spices. Next we're simply going to add some tomato. The tomato sauce. Just add a little bit of water. Bring all those flavors together. We can start adding our vegetables. We have our baby potatoes, carrots, zucchini, peppers. So we're going to add our chicken. Chicken pieces here. We're fine and sticking a little bit. Just add a little tad of oil. We're going to add some chickpeas at the end. Now please push your chicken out to the reservoir. Some noodles or rice, and there you have chicken curry.